Using multiple devices to review and change a model design allows much more flexibility for users. In this example, a user is reviewing a factory layout using a HoloLens in tabletop mode, so they can review specific areas without needing to see it in full scale. Adding comments where changes need to be made can be instantly viewed by those wearing a virtual reality headset at full scale. In virtual reality, the user can pick up the work instruction and then make the necessary changes. These can be easily achieved by adding various library components and changing their orientation to fit as desired. Once complete, the VR user can leave a comment stating that the requested changes have been completed. Back in the boardroom, the initial user can now review these changes as part of the model and see the entire scale of the project. With Theorem XR, users can collaborate on a project regardless of where they are and which device they're using.